Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. In today's video, I will do another unboxing and will show you what fits in the pouch and what the pouch fits in. Let's get into it. This is the box that I got, and this is a real unboxing. This is how it shipped to my house. It comes with a receipt, orange box in blue ribbon. I'm so excited. Let's open it. This box has magnetic closure. Here it is, the dust bag. I already know what I got, but I'm still so excited to see how it is. Look at this. It is so cute. This toiletry pouch is in size 19 and it is made in Spain. It has brass hardware, extended zipper for easier access. Inside it has wipeable interior in beige color. This pouch is made with 1 sheet of monogram coated canvas. You can see the front like this, but the back is upside down LV because it's just made with 1 sheet only. This toiletry pouch size 19 is medium size of the set. It comes with 3 different sizes, 26, 19, and 15. So I already got the 26 a few weeks ago, and I wanted to complete the set. So this is the second piece that I could get. You can see the difference here. These are timeless pieces, and I haven't had a chance to use any of these. I can't wait to travel with these pieces. I think these pieces are very versatile. This piece you can use as a clutch. I had a video unboxing the toiletry pouch in size 26. Check it out in the link above. I also show you what would fit inside too. Now let's see what fit inside this toiletry pouch size 19. Let's see what we can fit into the toiletry pouch size 19. We can try with the mini pochette. It fits perfectly. There is still room for more stuff. It looks fine, but I don't think I would want to put the mini pochette in this pouch. If you want to use this as a clutch to store your phone and a few essentials, my iPhone 6s Plus fits quite well in this pouch. My key pouch, my 6 key holder with the coin pouch, and there is still room for lipstick or lip gloss, but you can see a little bulge. I think we should take the coin pouch out. There is still extra space for extra stuff. You can also use this toiletry pouch as a catch-all or as a cosmetic pouch. I don't take a lot of makeup stuff with me, so for the basic makeup pieces, it takes only a third of the pouch. You can put more like eye drop, blush, lotion, perfume, and you can be worry-free with the white paper interior. Now I will show you what this pouch would fit in. Let's see how it fits in the Neverfull. This is Neverfull MM. I have the organizer inside. It fits in one side perfectly, and of course it's size 19, so it must fit in here comfortably. Let me put together with the 26. So you can see here 19 and 26 in the Neverfull MM. Now let's see how it fits in the pochette Matisse. I also have another video unboxing the pochette Matisse with braided handle. I have the link above if you want to check it out. I'm gonna put the pouch in the middle compartment. It fits in perfectly, but I think it's a little snug getting in and out the back. I wouldn't use a toiletry pouch size 19 in the pochette Matisse, even in the middle. Yeah, because of the shape of the pouch and the corners, I don't think I should squeeze it into this pochette Matisse. Now let's see how toiletry pouch 19 would fit into the Coco Chanel in size small. Yes, it fits perfectly. You can get it in and out easily because the Coco Chanel has the trapezoid shape, so the bottom is a little wider than the top. So it's easier to move in and out. The bottom of the pouch sits in loosely. Yeah, perfect. I'm so happy that I could get these two pieces already. I can't wait to get the last one, the toiletry pouch size 15, which is smaller. Then the set will be complete. I love the look of these pieces. It's very simple, but it's classic. I really recommend this. You can use these pieces just like its name, toiletry pouch, to hold cosmetic or toiletry. You can also use these as clutch. I already ordered the organizer for this with the hook on the side, so I can attach a strap to make it a shoulder bag or crossbody bag, as well as this one. I will do a video of that later and show you how I would wear these. I love them. I think these are very versatile. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload the new video, which will be every week. Have a fabulous day and hope to see you in my next video. Bye now.